So now we will discuss the next tool, which is background eraser tool. Eraser tool, like in the previous video we discussed about this one, like it can work with the background color, but the background eraser tool can remove everything and it will show transparent. So for instance, if we want to remove this white background, what we can do with magic wand tool, we can select the white background and then select background eraser tool, and we can erase like this easily. It will erase everything, like, and it will show the transparent background. So this is also a very good tool if you want to remove the background. And after remove it, there are two ways, like we can select move tool, and from here to there, like in this, we can transfer. And the next method, if you want to save image as PNG, because if we file place this image, you can see it will place with the white background, but because we have removed the white background using background eraser, so we will save this image as Apple PNG format and save it. And now if we go to file and place embedded, and if we place this image, you can see now it will place with the without the background. So this is very easy way to remove the background using background eraser tool. Thank you very much for watching this video.